hola, what's up, what's happening, wagwan, hola, I am Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing like a two-part video. The first video I just filmed was me doing a wash day, washing my hair. And I just got finished washing my hair, so that's that. The second part is me washing my dirty ass makeup brushes. Yeah, so that's what I am about to film or show you. That's what I'm about to show you right now, me washing my makeup brushes. All right, so I have different types of makeup brush washing mats. I have this one that goes, they all go in the sink. This one, this is a mint. And then I have this little one that just goes like in between your thumb and index finger. And then this is this is like one of my first ones. This is actually a oven mat thingy, oven mitt, but it's just like the rest of these. So yeah, but this was like my first one, my little honeycomb one that I was using before I got all these other ones. But today I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Has a suction cup on the back, and this for today, and my Dawn soap. So these are all of my dirty brushes. Well, there's more in the sink and on the floor, just fell, but these are all my dirty brushes that I am about to wash. First thing first, let me tilt the camera down a little bit so you can see a little bit better. All right, Dawn soap, I'm gonna squirt it on the mats and squirt it in here. All right, and then I just pick up any random brush, just start swirling it around. And the Dawn is so powerful. All you need is a little bit of the Dawn. This right here is my foundation brush, so it's pretty dirty. Check this out, look. Woo! See that? So you're just gonna just keep going until it's no longer brown, until it's clean. Then rinse that, add a little bit more soap, and just keep rubbing. I like to use this one actually better than this mat right here, just because it's like right in my hands, easy peasy. But yeah, just keep doing this. I mean, this video is kind of self-explanatory, I think. Keep doing this until there's no more brown. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my sponges, kind of the same way. Wet it, throw a little Dawn on there, and just squeeze it in your hands. Wet it again, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And sometimes I'll double up. If I'm like, you know, not trying to be here all day, I double up on, what are these called, beauty blenders, and just keep squeezing until you don't see no more brown, basically. Just keep going. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. So, like, this one's already getting really clean. My Dawn soap does the trick. I'm about to show y'all. This is like somewhat before, then I'm gonna show y'all the after of this. Okay, so my camera keeps falling, so I'm gonna try and hold the camera with one hand and do this with my other hand. So you see how clean this got? Look at that. That's just from some Dawn soap. Just keep massaging it, and eventually all the brown will disappear. And you have some clean makeup brushes and beauty blenders. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing. And then I lay everything on a towel when I'm done. Like, say this is a clean one, I lay it here, line them up, line them up, line them up, and let them air dry. And that is how I clean my makeup brushes. And I also have my like edge control brushes in here too. Alright y'all, so that is how I clean my makeup brushes. I mean, simple, easy peasy, you know, that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Part 1 was me washing my hair. And part 2 is me washing these dirty makeup brushes and beauty blenders. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all for watching. Later.